Guess what arrived? The PRUVEEO 360 dash cam. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. So check this out. With this 4-channel dash cam, it captures every angle. Look at this. Front, rear, inside, left and right. It comes with built GPS and Wi-Fi, night vision, and 24/7 parking mode for ultimate protection. So yes, check this out. Here's the back camera for the rear, and this is everything that it comes with. Move this. So check it out. Let's put it on. A ver qué tal. Check out how clear it is. With this 4-channel dash cam, it captures every angle. So don't wait. Get yours today and drive with confidence.